Do you want to convert raw JSON data into a structured Confluence table? In this video, see how the JSON table macro makes that possible in just a few steps. Open your Confluence page editor and insert the JSON table macro. The macro parameters are organized into tabs. In the Content tab, you can paste or type your JSON data directly. As I wanted to specify the endpoint for my JSON data, I will go to the Source tab and provide the endpoint in the URL to JSON data field. The Structure and Data tab lets you configure which fields to include, augment values, column types, auto totals, and more. Under Sort and Filter, you can configure sorting and filtering options. Under Style, enable auto-number to add a row number column. Finally, under Export, enable allow download and export so users can download the table as a CSV file or export it as a page attachment. That is all. Save the macro. The page edit mode displays the JSON data in a structured table. As I want to just fetch the username, email, and phone number, I will edit the macro and provide the specific fields to be included in the table. Once done, save the macro and publish the page. Here's the result: a structured table with required fields, and an option to download and export the table data as a CSV file. To save the CSV file as a page attachment, click Export, and then Submit to export the file. You can view the exported file under your page attachments. Try it today and convert your JSON data to a Confluence table using the JSON macro's advanced capabilities. Thanks for watching.